www.facebook.com/Shakey'sBLeague. Check it out for the latest happenings dito sa ating at inyong paboritong Shakey's B-League. Big name players, beautiful faces. We welcome the face of the day, Joyce Gustilo, 25 years old from Parañaque City. Ayan, kasarap. Iha, share tayo. Kapatid siya ni Jill Gustilo.
Oh!
Pretty face, joining us this afternoon. Laking pizza niyan.
Yeah, I think Jill will be seeing action later on.
That's why she's here.
Yeah.
Makatangay, rejected, 6-point margin, Philippine Army.
That's right. That was Michelle Carolino and Dalia Cruz teaming up.
Mas konti ang mamarkahan ng Army kontra Air Force, no? Babantayan nila si Makatangay, babantayan nila si Aiza Maizo, and then maka-atake sila. Mas malaking chance lang pumuntos. Like what happened there.
That's right. Coverage wasn't there, although the set was way too long for even an Aiza Maizo.
Pero inabot pa rin niya. Ganun ka-athletic din si Aiza Maizo. Manzano.
Another good block.
That's Makatangay, sorry. This time, it's Maizo. Another pancake.
Wow, good save.
Oh! Favorite angle, Maizo. Finishing out the 12th point para dito sa Air Force.
Well, Aiza Maizo, that's the shot that everyone's used to seeing. Aiza Maizo, first line.
Grabe yung preparation dun sa tirang yun talaga. De La Rosa serving. Hiratay going to Carolino. Might be too near the net. But they get that point anyway. Net touch, no?
Yes, that's right. Called on Aiza Maizo. And you'll see after when she touched the net, she really reacted. She knew it was her fault. Medyo nanggigil.
Kaya nga minsan, kailangan paalala mo sa mga players, pag nagkamali, huwag ka na mag-react. Dahil minsan, doon lang pipito eh. Semana, once again going to Aiza Maizo. Getting that ball safely over. Iratay, too much power on that. Boy pa! Iratay scrambling, Carolino Mayet to Balse. That's another point.
Well, Army right now just feeling it. Mary Jean Balse. She knows she has one blocker. Sanay yan sa tatlong blocker. Tapos she's looking at one blocker. No problem for Mary Jean Balse.
Alam mo, merong isang beses nakita ko yan nagbabasketball para sa FE. Para sa isang team. Sa Army. Nakita ko siya naglalaro. Nagulat nga ako talaga eh.
She can play basketball?
Nagulat ako na double sport siya.
Ah.
Kasi active pa naman siya nun para sa UST. Pero nakita ko siya, sabi ko imposible. Pero nakita ko yung takbo niya eh. Tapos nilapitan ko, sabi ko siya nga. But this is a timeout once again called by Air Force as they fall behind 12-21 here in the second set. Palaki ng palaki ang kalamangan dito ng Philippine Army, Norim, because of plays such as this.
That's right. And, you know, there's a hole there in that Air Force defense, so Army feeling it right now. Their offense going very smooth.
Daming attackers.
You know, that's right. They have a lot of options.
That's a quick coming from De Ramos. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Cherry Rose Makatangay. One of the longest names here in the roster. So ito sa ating Shakey's B-League trying to rally her team closer to Philippine Army, but once again Balse attacking. Resho scrambling, Manzano getting that ball across. Ayan, soft touch na lang.
Well, again, that has been the Waterloo of this Air Force defense, that center. So for Army, you have a lot of options. If your blockers are slow to react, baonin mo. If not,
spacing lang. Nandun yung front row no? Pero yung support sa likod, kulang talaga. Again, not the usual reception that you want. Leaves Carolino for that cross-court hit. Maizo to Manzano.
Wow, single block!
Caught off guard. 2 points away from winning this second set.
Well, good read by Mayat Carolino there. She really she covered the angle. We can see. Well,
mahirap na angle yun eh.
Oo, but inabangan talaga niya.
Makatangay receiving. Semana to Manzano. Difficult set. Iratay. Ubunag has been very quiet here in the second set.
Well, don't look now. It is set point for Army. You know, Iratay really giving everyone an opportunity to get some numbers. It was first Balse, Carolino, then Bunag.
Maizo, Semana, Ramos rejected. 25-13 in favor of Philippine Army here in the second set.
Well, there's our shake and play, a commanding 25-12.
25-13.
25-13, and that's, you can see that's the reason why